Hi, not know my face. Not ready for live. Getting dark. Night now. Yep. I have 70 remaining until 3K subscriber. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations to you, my friend. I hope you achieve your what you call this? Your goal in your YouTube. Hello, how are you? Like done? Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Hello to my 68 viewers. Sorry, yesterday because I don't have live because I'm out of town. I go with my family to the reunion, and it's so far. We travel about 6 hours before we get there. The place where we get our reunion or family reunion. Never mind birth 38 right or wrong. 40. 40. It says 40 now. Just got home at 8 o'clock. But no, it's hello. Hi 86 viewers. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Very nice. Thank you, Muhammad Bashir. Wait, I'll put some. Yeah, a single mother with one baby. Baby. It's not a baby. It's not. It's already a kid. Hi to my 8 viewers. Hello, Carlos Andre Santos. Nice colors. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. My face is so haggard because tired of the travel. Tired. Just at home. 16, you're too young. You just like, what is this? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. What's the share live? Pa-share ng live. Share live. Hi to, it's, oh, you always single mom. Who is my, hello. I tried to find something on my bag. Hi. People, what you mean by Kimoy? Hi there. Hi friends, I'm fine. Hello, Yamashu. Hi. Can you join again to my channel membership? I invite you to join my membership. Hi, please like and subscribe to my channel. Where do you live? I go live at home. Yesterday I'm out of town, that's why no live. Can I call you? Yes. I always call my Instagram, but I'm busy. I can't. Sorry for not answering your call. You're so good in your call because when you're so such a bad comment there, I don't answer the call. When I observe something which is not good comment or what we talk there, I will not allow